Welcome back, crafty friends. Today let's see how to make this easy paper flower for kids. Materials needed are few colored paper, pencil, scissors, glue, skewer and a tape. So the first step is to take a colored sheet of any length and just fold it in a square shape. Now draw the petal shape that you want and cut along the line. So once you finish cutting, you get lot of petals like this. Now just give a small slit at the bottom to all the petals. Now glue the ends together like this. Now take a spare petal that you have, add some glue and start sticking the petals on it. To add more detail to the flower, let's take a small different colored strip, fold it and just cut it till the center into small strips like this. Now just open it up and then start rolling the paper, glue the ends and stick it in the center of the flower. Just pierce a skewer, add some colored tape and your flower is ready. Try different petal shapes and repeat the steps as same. So I hope this was an easy DIY for kids. Do like and comment at the section below and subscribe to my channel to be updated with my latest video. Thank you for watching.